Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Public Eye app, easy method. Start by installing the app and granting camera and location permissions, then create an account or sign in with Google, and enable background refresh so alerts arrive on time and the app stays updated automatically while you focus on your day. Open the live view to quickly check any camera feed, and use motion zones to limit alerts to the important spots you care about, like doors or windows. Then set notification schedules so alerts only come when you want them. And pick tones you'll recognize instantly to stay calm and responsive when something happens. Hey, quick pause. If this video helps, please subscribe and like to support more helpful tutorials. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's great for reading manuals and guides on the go and pairs nicely with app tutorials. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals to grab one if interested. And if you already love it, tell a friend. Now let's get back to the video. If a camera feed freezes, restart the app or device and check your Wi-Fi strength, switching bands if needed. Also make sure the app is updated to get the latest fixes and security patches, and periodically review permissions to ensure cameras and microphone access remain enabled for smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.